How to screenshot without the volume button on your iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So first up, you go into settings, and in settings there is this touch option in the accessibility area. And over here in the touch section, you can see there's this assistive touch option. All you have to do is enable the assistive touch. And this will work in case your volume button is not working or your power button is not working. And it will be an easier way for you to take a screenshot. And once you've enabled assistive touch, you can see that there are these options available. But all you have to do is click on device and then click on more. And once you're here, you can see that there's a screenshot option. Once you click on it, that's it. A screenshot will be now taken. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.